Mia's birthday. Really? Yes.
So, what can we do to surprise him? Wait.
Look. I have an idea. Happy birthday, Kyle!
Oh, too sad. Kyle was not amazed with our surprises. But great thing that our team came up with another plan. Since Kyle likes chemistry, we will surprise him with our chemistrix. And this is
The birthday mission!
Chemistrix number 1.
Okay, so we need mitten, glass jar, bottle with a cap, ice, and hot water. So for our procedure, let's put first hot water onto our bottle. Make sure that it was not filled with water. Next, we should seal it with a bottle cap. Make sure to make use of your mitten because it's so hot. Then, we have to put it in firstly onto the jar. Then after that, we put the pack of ice at the top of the inverted bottle and see what happens.
What is that sorcery? And I'm gonna call you a witch if you don't tell me how does that thing work.
Well, let's see the recap.
icing the part of the bottle with air in it lowers the pressure because the air molecules rattle around less when they are colder. It would cause a little amount of water to boil until the pressure builds back up. The bottle mostly has water vapor, not air, up in that part. Putting ice on top of the bottle cools it enough so that there, the water vapor condenses back to liquid. That lowers the pressure a lot, causing the water to boil. With the main part of the bottle very hot and the top part cold, water keeps boiling from the hot part and condensing the cold part.
Chemistrix number 2!
And the materials are food coloring, clear glass, plate, candles, water, and match. Put the water with food coloring to the plate. Next step, cover the candle with the clear glass. Magic!
Dude, that was awesome. But how did it work? Can you tell me, please?
Well, let's see the recap.
When we lit the candle, The air surrounding it becomes hot. The heated air expands. As it expands, it comes out from under the glass container. The candle needs oxygen in order for it to stay alight. You might observe some bubbles after you put the glass over the candle. That's the hot air escaping. When the candle is trapped inside the glass, the supply of oxygen is limited. Thus, the candle stops burning. When the candle goes off and the temperature falls inside the glass, the colder air inside the glass has a lower pressure than the air outside the glass. Some of the higher pressure air outside the glass move towards the lower pressure air inside the glass to keep balance.
So for these chemistries, materials to be used are
A 2-liter bottle, baking soda, funnel, paper towel, pencils, you could use 3 or 4, then 1 cup vinegar, 2 cups water, tape, and a cork or stopper.
get your 2-liter bottle, have a tape, and have 4 pencils. Position your pencils in the sides of the bottle. This will serve as your stand. Using a funnel, fill the bottle with 2 cups of water and 1 cup of vinegar. Then add 2 spoons of baking soda. Then next, fold the paper. You can either fold it or roll it like a burrito, whatever you want. But as for me, I will fold it. Then here, let us make a rocket bottle. But before anything else, this chemistry should be performed outdoors. Yay! Whoa! That rocket bottle was so amazing. I bet Kyle saw it from his house. Oh look! He sent me a message.
reaction between baking soda and vinegar is an acid-base reaction. The chemical name for baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, meaning it's made up of one sodium atom, one hydrogen atom, one carbon atom, and 3 oxygen atoms. Vinegar is a mixture of acetic acid and water. Baking soda is a base, and vinegar is an acid. An acid is a chemical that wants to get rid of a proton, or a positively charged hydrogen atom. A base is a chemical that wants a proton. When you mix an acid with a base, exciting things can happen because the acid is ready to give away its proton, and the base is right there to receive it. Water is often added to acids and bases to tone down the intensity of this exchange. When we mix baking soda and acetic acid in water together, acetic acid gives its proton to the baking soda, and together they form sodium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide. These products are created quickly, and the carbon dioxide comes out as a gas. The production of the carbon dioxide is the reason of our rocket bottle explosion.
Please see the links below, like us on Facebook,
Follow us on Twitter!
Subscribe to our channel.
And this has been another episode of
Chemistry, the birthday mission!